Hi, my name is Eric Heuerman. I'm an industrial arts teacher at Bernard Middle School, and this is my Mehlville story. This will be my 7th year teaching here. It's my 10th year teaching total, so I've had a little bit of a career before as a carpenter building homes. Once I got the opportunity to come in and teach woodworking and metalworking, it really brings out the passion in the kids when they get to class and they know that they're going to be doing something interesting, whether it's a field that they could see themselves in the future or not. They get to go and make a measurement and make a cut or sand it down or make a mark and then realize if they messed up right away and how important that measurement is. So I feel like that the skills that are going on in all places of this building can be relatable to a class like this. When I got into teaching, it wasn't in the Mehlville District, and I was actually as an elementary school teacher. And I saw an opportunity to come here and maybe get a taste of what middle school is like, and I took it. And it's been great ever since. There's so much support when it comes to being an employee here, but it's not just like this is my workplace. You know, I know that I'm taking care of a lot of students here and helping them figure out life, but I also think that not just teachers that I work with, but bosses and central office, they really do care about me as a teacher and my personal well-being as a family member. I have 2 sons. One's here with me at Bernard, one's at Oakville as a football player. I've got a daughter who's graduated from Mehlville. My wife graduated from Oakville. So we're kind of lifelong Mehlville School District people. So the choice is obvious. You know, the district has been great to us as citizens or people within the community, and you know, to be able to be part of that that educational system is kind of really special for me.